If you want to boost your health and well-being, you need natural immune support. I love this stuff. It's a whole food blend of 10 times the amount of vitamin C and 1,000 IU of vitamin D, plus natural anti-inflammatories like turmeric, ginger and rosehip. This stuff's going to get you healthy really quick, and I just want to show you how easy it is to use. So it's pretty much just getting a teaspoon of natural immune support into a large glass of water and mixing. Now I do this morning and night, but you can just have it in the morning, just in a glass of water, or stirred into juice, or even as a smoothie or yogurt. But this is simple as drinking it in a glass of water and enjoying 10 times the amount of vitamin C, plus natural anti-inflammatories and vitamin D. Enjoy, drink to your health.